Welcome back to the Zero to Hero BullX Neo series. In today's video, we're covering everything you need to know about how to become a BullX partner, gain your own referral link, and start earning through the program. The process has changed, so pay close attention to the updated steps. Step 1. Join BullX Neo. Using a referral link before applying for the BullX Partner Program, you must first sign up for BullX Neo. There's no public sign-up option. You can only join through a referral link or an invitation from a verified partner. Use one of the following links to access BullX Neo: neo.bullx.io/p/wikibull telegram. Access link once signed up. Log into your account before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Initiating the application process. Now that you have access to BullX Neo, you need to apply for the partner program through Telegram. Open the BullX Neo Telegram chat. Type /help in the chat. A pop-up will appear with a BullX Help button. Click on it. You'll now see 4 options: General Issue, Bug Report, Security, and Partnership. Click on Partnership. If you don't see the pop-up, type /start and then select Partnership. Another message will appear. Click Partnership/Collaboration to start the application. At this point, BullX Neo will ask you a series of questions. Your responses will determine your eligibility for the program. Let's go through each question and how to answer it effectively. Step 3. Answering the application questions. The first question is, what is your primary Telegram username? Provide your exact Telegram username that you use to log into BullX Neo. This ensures your application is linked to your account. Example, Crypto Trader XYZ. Next, they'll ask, what is your primary Twitter? Please provide a link. Provide your Twitter handle and a direct link to your profile. Example, CryptoXNeo, xx.com/CryptoXNeo. Then they will request details about your reach. How much reach do you have? Mention any platforms and followers, subscribers, or community members, and provide a link. Be specific about your audience size and engagement. Example, Twitter, 10,000 followers, X, CryptoXNeo. YouTube, 5,000 subscribers, youtube.com/C, CryptoXNeo. Telegram group, 2,500 members, CryptoX community. Another key question is, how would you like to collaborate with BullX? This is your chance to showcase how you will contribute to BullX Neo's growth. Example, I plan to create educational content, including video tutorials and Twitter threads, explaining the features of BullX Neo. I will also host AMAs and discussions on Telegram to introduce new users to the platform. They will then ask, are you interested in our referral program? If yes, how would you advertise your link? Clearly outline how you will promote your referral link. Example, yes, I will promote my referral link through Twitter posts, YouTube tutorials, and Telegram discussions where I introduce members to BullX Neo and its benefits. Another important question, mention your referral volume from trading bots other than BullX, Photon, Trojan, etc., and provide relevant screenshots. This helps BullX assess your referral experience. Example, I have referred over 150 users to Photon and 90+ users to Trojan, generating a combined volume of over $2 million in trades. Screenshots are attached. Finally, they ask, are you signed up on BullX Neo and have an active account? If you're applying, you must already have an active BullX Neo account. Example, yes, I actively use BullX Neo for trading and analysis. Once you answer all the questions, the system will confirm that your application has been submitted for review. Step 4. Approval and partner benefits. After submitting your application, you'll receive a message stating, thanks for taking the time to answer our questions. A BullX member will respond on this ticket within the next 24 hours. If your application is approved, you will receive a unique referral link and gain access to 2 major benefits. Early Partner Referral Program. Invite new users and onboard them to BullX Neo. BullX Partner Affiliate Program. Earn a percentage of all trading fees generated by your referrals. Becoming a BullX partner is an exclusive opportunity to earn while promoting a platform with cutting-edge trading tools. If you meet the criteria and are ready to start, follow the steps and apply today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.